Thank you very much. Think of the circus exhibit. Okay, the show is about to begin. I'd like to just say a little bit about what the students have been doing this week. Most of these students have been here for 2 weeks. We started our camp off by taking a trip to the Shelburne Museum, and they visited the Circus Day in America exhibit, which was sort of vintage circus posters and toy circuses. So they learned a lot about what the circus was. They learned a lot also about the sideshows. The kids made these circus posters based on characters that they made up for this circus. And then we had Maya Cuvello come. She's a circus performer in the Greensboro area. She came for 5 mornings and worked with the kids and taught them most of what you're going to see today. We also had Brooke Letourneau come. She's a dance teacher, and she came and put together 2 dance acts for the kids. So that's also what you're going to see today. And learning all about that, they also worked on all the costumes and the props and the decorations and all.
Start juggling with 2 balls.
Finished. Okay.
The juggling, handstands, and we made a pyramid out of people.
So you have 2. You go 1, 2. You throw the second ball when the first ball is at the peak. 1. Remember, plant your feet, stay in one spot.
I can't really let him.
What you do is you stand right here, okay? Put one foot there, imagine your
Oh no, Ryan is getting up. Who's getting up
Hi, Jasmine. Are you having fun at summer camp?
Yeah, I love summer camp.
You do. What do you love about summer camp?
I love to be with everybody. I like to be with my friends. I'm gonna have my own stick.
Try to make the jump.
Do not swing it, please. You only swing
It's going this way.
Come on, red. Come on, blue. Come on, blue. Blue, 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 blue.
Tell me if I'm in the way.
There. Come on, blue.
Let's go, blue. Let's go.
Oh yeah, we call it blue.
That's just, you guys.
Get ready. Get ready. You gotta help out. You gotta help out.
Alex, help out.
Nice.
Good job.
What did you learn to do at summer learning camp?
I want to do this. Really fun day.
Go.
We love summer learning camp, especially the